We're at the Broxburn Community Centre. The club has been operating for 23 years. The festival here has been going for about 20 of that. Some of the sections that they compete in is bush ballad, country rock, there's vocal, duo, groups and theatre, and the kids love the theatre. It's a really good event. It's great to see kids as young as 4, 5 years old competing, and the older kids 75 and 76 years old competing. The original festival, they were singing off the back of a semi-trailer, and they had portaloos everywhere. And as you can see with all the structures here now, we have toilets and showers. We have our camp kitchen, and that's where the tank will be going. So we got the $5,000 grant, and we're going to use that money to put permanent water to the kitchen area. Basically what it'll mean to the club is we'll have a permanent supply of good, clean water. We all work really hard all year long. When it comes festival time, we all pitch in, and we've all got a number of jobs to do. And even after Sunday night, after the presentations, we're pulling down tents and we're emptying bins and, cleaning the toilets and showers, and, so normally we're not out of here until pretty late Sunday night, so it's a really dedicated bunch.